amongst the social science disciplines is to use the simple scientific formula of independent and dependent variables. Political science has dependent variables. These are the matters that are peculiar to the discipline. Matters of governance, matters of power, matters of legitimacy, of authority, matters of persuasion, of hegemony, and so on. Now, these are our dependent variables, what we want to explain. The independent variables that we use can be borrowed from all the other social sciences. We can use gender to explain, we can use culture, we can use age, we can use urban, rural location, we can use climate change. All of these things are our independent variables. For as long as climate change does not take the place of power, or of influence, or of authority, or of legitimacy in what we study, political science retains a status as a distinct discipline. Now, we should bring the class to an end because our hour is well spent. Can the class rep then summarize, and you have to read the others in the class note and keep your questions for next week? Yes, class rep. Class rep, please. Hello, class rep.
Hello, sir. I'm with you now, sir.
Okay, so we are closing the class because this is the dot of 9. I hope that guys have followed.
Yes,
if you have questions, you can please unmute Professor Lafenwa.
Yeah, I'm doing that right away.
Okay. Yeah, so if you have questions, you can always send me a WhatsApp message and so on, and take it from there. Yes, Professor Lafenwa.
Thank you very much for this well-presented lecture. And the class was, organized the way it should be. So the class rep has to hand everything. Maybe the next class you have to give them maybe 10 minutes so that they can ask questions on what you have.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, much, sir.
Thank you
for listening to the platform. Okay, sir.
Okay, thanks everyone. See you next week.
So thank you very much, sir. The class was a very insightful one.
Thank you. Thank you. See you next week.
All right, sir.
Hello, Senator.
Hello, I'm with you, sir.
Are you recording? Are you able to record these classes?
No, sir.
Well, find out from your mates if any person is recording. It would be nice if from the next class we can find a way to record them.
Okay. When I discover or find anyone who recorded it, I'll share the recording to the WhatsApp group.
Very good. And let's also have, recordings for next week.
Okay, sir. I'll work on it.
Okay, thank you. So see you next
week.
Right. Okay. Right.
All right, sir.
Okay.
No.
What you want to know when you be massive? See, second here.